Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Mercy Digital TV. So if you're new here, karibu sana, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. And if you've already subscribed, thank you so much. Thank you so much for always coming back and watching my content. So in this channel, we do real estate, vlogs, and travels. And in today's video, we are going to showcase a B&B, a 5-bedroom B&B located in Lanet at a place called Oasis. So I hope you guys will enjoy. This is one of the best B&Bs I've come across. So let's go. So guys, just like I've told you, so today we are taking you on a tour of this beautiful standalone B&B. It's nestled in the heart of nature. As you can see, the outside of the Airbnb is simply breathtaking. So the flowers are in full bloom and the colors are also so vibrant. You can't help but feel the uplifted as soon as you're here. Take a look of these beautiful flowers. They are just so stunning and they add so much character to the outdoor area. You can sit out here and admire the view for hours and hours on end. And if you want to sit down and relax, there are plenty of comfortable chairs for you to choose from. So imagine spending your afternoons out here, basking in the sun and enjoying the peace and silence. It is the perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. So guys, the living room is so spacious with plenty of comfortable seating options to accommodate everyone in your party. It's the perfect spot to watch TV, read a book, or simply spend quality time with your loved ones. So the open kitchen is fully equipped with all the necessary appliances and utensils you all need to cook up a storm, whether you're making a simple breakfast or a gourmet dinner. So the modern dining area is located just adjacent to the kitchen, providing you with the perfect spot to enjoy your meals together. So guys, one of the bedrooms is located downstairs, making it an ideal option for everyone, especially for the ones with mobility issues or those who prefer to not just use the stairs. So this room is also ensuite, providing you with all the necessary amenities and features you could ever want. So this Airbnb also boasts a range of modern amenities, including security, Wi-Fi, and Netflix, so that you can stay connected and entertained throughout your stay. So if you're looking for some outdoor relaxation, the Airbnb has a very large compound with beautiful flowers that you can enjoy. So in overall, this B&B is the perfect spot to enjoy comfortable and luxurious stay in a beautiful location. So why not book your stay today and experience all these amazing offers that this B&B or rather Airbnb has to offer. That has been it about this particular video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. This is a 5 bedroom B&B located in Lanet in near Oasis Hotel. So if you're interested, I'll link all the details in the description box, and also in the comment section I'll put all the details there. So this is one of the best B&Bs. It's going for 15,000 shillings per night. And yeah, you can come as a group, you can come as a family, and you're welcome here. So this has been Mercy Digital TV with Serene.